Morning, welcome back to O'Brien Adventure Outdoors. Tuesday at 6 o'clock. Got another load here. Got the little telehandler on. I got that 469 Baler that we went and got the other day in Bray. Got to take it back to Bray and then go by Paul's Valley and pick up two plows. But just checking the rig over, getting ready to head out. Everybody have a good day today. Parked down there and got all my stuff out. Okay, here refueling now. My def was low, so I gotta add some def to it too. But yeah, I gotta put this crap in. I was here at Fire Lake refueling. Sun's getting ready to pop up over there. Okay, I'm about 15 minutes out. The sun was shining, and then just all of a sudden here, I'm about 10 miles from Marlow. It got all foggy and I don't know what's up. We'll see when we get to Graham Auctioneers back to Bray, Oklahoma here. Yeah, I don't know why it's so. Is this clear in Shawnee? Okay, back here in Bray, Oklahoma. Here at Graham Auctioneers. Gotta kick off this Baler. Figure Pedro would be around here somewhere. He lives right there in that house. He might see me pull up or something. Stay tuned, let's get this Baler unloaded. Okay, I'm gonna get these all unboomed and chained here. But instead of having to hold you, I'm gonna put you on my chest here. So you'll be on my chest whenever videos are taken. Look like a half hitch with a twist in it. Yeah, look up in there. It's a half hitch with a twist. Okay, that got everything unboomed here. Now we'll run this back down here, get her unloaded. hard to see down there or not, folks. But yeah, it's going pretty good. I'm gonna push it over here to the left. Okay, I gotta grab the deal out of there. Let's go to the truck. Okay. I got the PTO shaft here in the back of the truck. I gotta go get it. There we go. Pretty good. Okay, I got everything loaded and tied down there. Back in the truck here. We're about an hour from our second stop. Go pick up a couple of, I think, plows or something. 9-footer and a 10-footer or something. But stay tuned. O'Brien Venture Outdoors and Hotshotting Day, Bray, Oklahoma, and Paul's Valley. Look at that giant Walmart. Know where we're at. I just come through Beatty or Betty, Oklahoma. Getting ready to go up here and get on, I guess it must be Wayne, Oklahoma, giant Walmart. Okay, about 10 minutes out here, coming in the back roads. And here we are by a cornfield. Don't see any corn. They're starting some little stalks here, but yeah. Oh, right in here, yeah. Here's some. Look at these big, nice boogers. Wow. Look back in there. You could go and go forever. That's pretty cool, folks. Yeah, never seen a cornfield. Sorry. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Okay, we're heading back here now to see about finding these discs. Got a Schaefer and something else. I see something here. Up here, I got her boomed up. Trying to get her to the trailer now. Okay, we got her. See if we can get this one on the trailer. Okay, got everything loaded. Just got to chain her down now. Yeah, barely fit. Okay. Finally got everything boomed down. Took me a good hour and a half though. Yeah. Yeah, little cat telehandler, barely fit. These dang discs would have been any bigger. This 40 footer works great. Yeah, let's head on down the road. Get something to eat. It's about lunchtime. Stay tuned. O'Brien Venture Outdoors and Hotshot here in Wayne, Oklahoma. It's up by Purcell. I'm east of Paoli, between Rosedale and Paoli. Okay, it's finally lunchtime. Got my sandwiches and chips and my Celsius peach drink. But yeah, I'm here in Asher now, getting ready to head north. Get this stuff back to the yard. As you can see out there, yeah. Look at that overhang. I can't see nothing behind me. Yeah. But stay tuned. O'Brien Venture Outdoors Hotshot. Headed to the yard after lunch. Okay, got the telehandler there unloaded. Now we got to get these discs unchained, and we'll get them picked off there. Stay tuned. O'Brien Venture Outdoors Hotshot. Okay, picking this last one off here. Somehow.
Pull the truck forward.
Okay, got her in the air here. It was trying to roll into the back of the truck there, so we had to move the chains and then pull up a little bit. But yeah, We got the other one over here sitting on the ground. But that should be it. End of today's trip. Stay tuned for next week's adventures.